Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your profile on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website. And after going to the website, what we have to do simply, as you can see, we have to click on this option. As you can see, now our profile is mentioned here. If you want to check out your profile, if you want to manage your profile, you can also do that. So let's click on the profile. And after clicking on the profile, our name are written like this, Safir Raza. As you can see, if you want to upload your picture, you can also do that. You have to click on this. As you can see now, let's click on this option, and after clicking on this, we have to upload the image, that which image you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this one. You can upload whatever you want. I have used this one. So if you want to provide your Twitter account, if you want to provide your Instagram account, Facebook account, YouTube channel, they all are provided here. You just have to provide the link, and after that you have to hit the save, and after clicking on the save, your profile changes will be made and your profile will be changed. So in this way you can manage your profile on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.